Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, display panel assembly, and display panel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel and touchscreen cables for later replacement. Peel back the retention tape that secures the display panel cable to the touchscreen board. Remove the two 3mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the touchscreen board to the display panel. Carefully lift the touchscreen board off of the alignment pins on the display panel and, using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchscreen board ZIF connectors and disconnect the touchscreen ribbon cables from the touchscreen board. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the touchscreen cable from its connector on the touchscreen board. Remove the touchscreen board. Reverse this procedure to install the touchscreen board.